What's up everyone? We're going to do a little something different today. I am asking you for photos. Have you ever taken a photo and it's too dark or it's too light or your exposure didn't work? You know the kind. You're out in the yard, something happens, your dog does something funny. Maybe you take a good picture of your dog or your kids or your cat, something like that. You go to look at it later and it's too dark or it's overexposed. I have those problems also. Sometimes I go out to take photos or I go to take a video and the clouds are out. It's too dark. I can't change the weather, obviously. So I have to go in and edit the photo. And when I do that, it looks something like this. Well, I want to do that for you. I understand that some of you don't have a program, you just have a phone, maybe you have a camera, you point, you click, you do the best you can. I want you to send me your I want you to send them to papapineapples@gmail.com, and I want you to send me 1 or 2 of those photos. Now I'm only going to do 1 or 2 of them. So pick the 1 or 2 of your best photos, and I gotta say, I'm not going to do everybody's photos. You might not get picked, you might get picked. That's just how it's going to work. Again, send them only by email to papapineapples@gmail.com. That's the only way they're going to get looked at. I must warn you ahead of time, I am not a professional, but what I will do is I'm going to take your photos, I'm going to put them up, and I'm going to screen record the whole thing. I'm going to show you how I edited them, and I'm going to put it back onto YouTube for everybody to see. I'm going to email them back to you so you can send them to your family, your friends. You can upload them on your social media. Maybe you're going to upload them on Facebook. I'll even put them on my Facebook page for you. So again, what I want you to do is I want you to send 1 to 2 photos of anything that you have that is not well lit or whatever. Maybe you want to stylize it and have it look better. Send me the email to papapineapples@gmail.com. Make sure you include your name and I will edit them right here on the channel. I will email them back to you and you'll be able to see them live and upload them and do whatever you like with them after that. I hope you all have a good day and I look forward to seeing your photos. One more thing. Make sure if you have any friends or family and they want to send some photos, maybe there's a good one that they have, tell them to send it. You never know. Could get on the channel. Alright. That's it. I think that's it. I probably have so much more that I'm forgetting. Whatever.